Hi, my name is Bob, and the reason I call myself the Model Hack is because this is the first time I've done a lot of the things you are seeing on this channel. If you know a better way to do it, that's probably the correct way to do it because I'm learning as I go, and I hope you enjoy the journey as I go through it. Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to start by putting in the final details of the building and then putting the building together on its base. Started out by buying online these preser parts. It's patio decking and restaurant scene. They didn't cost terribly very much, and I took them out of the box, got them off the screws, and spray painted them brown. And then we're using the clear silicone glue to adhere them to the painted surface on the floor inside the building. As you can see, I wasn't real scientific about putting these down, but I wanted to make sure that whichever direction they went in, that it would have the most appeal as the background inside the doors. I considered putting them horizontal, but then I'd only have front chairs filled in, so I decided to put them horizontally where I could have some empty table and some people sitting at other tables, and made it work. The space was tight, but in the end, you'll see that I think everything came out fine. Getting these benches in was a little bit of a trick because of the proximity to one another and giving the space between the doors. And so I did used a little trick by not putting in the patio seats on either side, on the outer side of the two end tables, and just kind of as a view block. Use the doors as a view block. The project is a little bit fiddly putting all these pieces and parts in, so once I got everything into place, I took a straight edge and moved the table so that they were all lined up in a nice even row across the front. The patio set required a very small amount of putting some pieces together, and then it was just a simple matter to glue them in place. I let the glue set up before putting the people in place. It wasn't completely dry, just set. In my inventory, I had a mostly unused Scenic Master from Walthers, people laying around, so I pulled a few good folks out and put them in place. The kit had a couple of Hofbrau people in there celebrating, so I used those two and pulled out two couples that looked like they were appropriate together, and planned on using them on the outside tables once I put them in place. chairs were a little bit on the delicate side, but there were a lot of them. I did end up breaking a couple, pulling them off the screw, but there were enough of them that in the end it didn't matter. I wasn't using that many after all. With everything in place, we can now put the building on the foundation. Now it's time to run the beauty roll.